So this video may come across a little bit harsh and insensitive. It's not though, it's the truth and you need to hear it. Because unfortunately, you've been lied to by your mom, by your dad, by your family, by social media, by society, and the media. So I personally am very thankful that I didn't grow up with the internet and I also didn't grow up in today's world. You know, when I was growing up, if you wanted a trophy, you had to earn it. If you didn't earn it, well, you had to be stronger or faster. And there were some people that were just better than you. Deal with it. Right? We didn't sugarcoat things. We didn't blow smoke up everybody's ass trying to make everybody feel included and awesome and amazing. This is ridiculous. And the problem with this is that if you get into the mindset where you think this is normal or that you're special or that there is somebody with a cape that is coming to rescue you, you are never truly going to get off your ass and do something amazing. And that's the thing that I want to talk about today. Everybody wants to feel all good nowadays, which is, I guess, nothing wrong with that. But the problem is that when you kind of paint this as the narrative and you basically are trying to tell everybody that you're awesome and that you're special and you can be whatever you want to be and everybody else has to deal with it, this is not the real world. When you get out into the real world, there is no second place trophy, gentlemen. If you want to win, you've got to do the work, you've got to put in the time, you've got to make it happen. And there's no blaming somebody else for you not making it. There's no going to your parents and being like, Mom, Dad, why didn't you? No, why didn't they what? Why didn't they spank your ass? You got to stop being so scared of doing hard shit and thinking that everything should be automatic and instant gratification. This is not the way the world works. If you want something, you got to work for it. You've got to work extra hard if you want something amazing. But the beautiful thing is that you're going to appreciate it so much more than the person that was handed something. Nothing great was ever accomplished because it was easy. And no matter how much you think you deserve something, you've got to ask yourself the hard question. You've got to look at yourself in the mirror and basically be honest with yourself. Did you do what you need to do in order to get it? And the answer, honestly, is no, you didn't. Because if you had, you would have it. And stop using your age as an excuse to why you can't, why you shouldn't, why you haven't. Age, nowadays, it doesn't matter. If you want to be a millionaire, you can do it. You literally can do it at 15, at 16, at 17, all right? Because the internet has changed the game. It has changed the world. It has allowed basically anybody to be successful if you're motivated. Guys, the one thing that I keep talking about is starting a business, starting a side hustle. It has literally never been easier. It's like taking a test with a book open. All you have to do is take somebody's idea or their strategy or their blueprint that's done it and then copy it for yourself. And guess what? You're going to win, but you've got to be willing to put in the time. You've got to be willing to put in the work. And that is the reason why I started the White Label Empire, because I was tired of you having the excuse. I'm taking all the excuses away. I'm literally taking you by the hand, leading you to the front of the line and being like, here you go, start the business. I am literally taking 20 years of my experience of business successes and failures, consolidating it to just the things that you need to know in order to move to the front of the line, launch your business, be successful. Because the one thing I can tell you about the internet is that if you can figure out how to make $1, you can make 10. If you can make 10, you can make 100. If you can make 100, you can make $100,000. It has never been easier. The time is now. Do not wait. Hit the link down below if you are serious about doing something amazing. Or you could wait. You could wait for something else to happen or somebody to hand you something, and then in 10 years, in 20 years, you're going to look back at your life and wonder, why did it never happen to me? I'm still waiting. If you're tired of being broke, if you're tired of being average, if you're tired of letting life pass you by and wasting your time, start today. Because I don't want you looking back at your life in a few years from now and wishing you did. Cold hard reality is this. If you want something and you don't get it, you've got nobody to blame other than yourself. It's not your parents' fault. It's not your mom's fault, your weird Uncle Barry, or society's fault. It's yours. Because the truth is that success favors the brave and the bold. And my question to you is, before I wrap this video up, is who are you? What do you want to do? What type of man and what type of life do you want to live? Do you want to stay safe? Do you want to stay stuck? Do you want to live in your parents' basement forever? Or do you want to take action? Oh, but Alpha, what if I try and it doesn't work out? What if I fail? What if you don't fail? That's my question. And when did failing become bad? We have become so conditioned as a society to think that failure is bad and oh my God, what? No. The truth is that failure is beautiful. It means you tried something. It didn't work out. Fine. Pick yourself up. You're not dead yet. And try again. It's these failures that basically build mental strength and character and integrity, and it also helps you figure it out for the next time. Gentlemen, the other thing you got to understand is that people are not judging you. They don't even care about you. All right, and I'm not saying that to be a dick. I'm letting you know that you don't have to worry about it. We spend so much of our time in our life worried about what other people are thinking or judging us, right? And it prevents us from doing amazing things or going after what we want. They're not even thinking about you, so get off your ass, stop worrying about it, take it off the table, and understand that the world does not revolve around you. Or you could watch us, right? Because if you don't try, that makes it easier for us, if I'm being completely honest, because the less competition, the better. But the truth is that all competition was not bad. You've got to be around people that have like minds and also are willing to do the hard work. Because unfortunately, that's another thing that our society is getting wrong. It fears hard work. It fears doing hard things. We've gotten soft. We've become snowflakes. We've become little soft bitches. But not you, not me, not us. We decide our destiny and we're going to control it. And if you want to join me, hit the link down below and start today. Gentlemen, I hope to see you on the inside, where together we will do amazing things.